Have a great and safe new year, everyone. Marc D CutRock'R here. My build for the Country Club Muscle Shootout at Scale Racing Channel. Can we find speed? Country Club Muscle racing in January. Let's see how it goes. Not too bad. Let's do the rollout test. Good one. Back to the workshop. Only a few years ago, the time that I recorded here would have been an outstanding time. But things move on, cars are getting faster, have to get back to the grind, find more speed to keep up. Cheers. Happy New Year and good racing to you all. CutRock'R.